Splat the cat, blow, snow, blow. Splat stared out the window. When will it snow, he asked Mom. He wanted to make a snow cat, the biggest snow cat ever. Try to let it go, Splat, said Mom. Don't worry, it will snow, said Dad. You said that a long time ago, said Splat. Splat looked to and fro. Wait, was that snow? No, this snow is too slow, said Splat. When will it show? Then Splat said, I know, I'll grow my own snow. Snow is wet and cold, said Splat, so he got some ice and put it in a bowl. Then Splat said, snow is light and white, and he shook out his pillow. Next, let's look at that first. Next, Splat said, now I need a little wind to blow. Splat! Splat forgot to set the fan on low, and it made the bowl overflow. Oh no, said Splat. Little Sis shook her head. She said, don't you know, you can't grow snow. As Splat cleaned up the mess, he started feeling low. When will it ever snow, he said. I know, said Splat. I'll think snow. When Splat put on his yellow snowsuit, then Splat took out his sled and he put all his ducks in a row. When we're ready to go, Splat said, blow, snow, blow. He waited and waited, and lo and behold, it began to snow. But the snow was just so. It was very, very slow. Splat said the snow is so too low for the sled to go. But I can still make a snow cat. Splat got a wheelbarrow and he dumped the snow and it started making a cat. What is that? Little Sis asked. A snow cat, said Splat. Little Sis added a bow and she said, now it's a snowy little kitten just like me. Splat and Little Sis tried to play catch in the snow, but there wasn't enough to throw and the light was getting low. Time for dinner, called Dad. Everyone sat down to eat, but Splat could barely swallow. He just kept looking out the window. Then the wind started to blow and low snow began to grow and grow and grow. And Splat and his family stayed cozy. They roasted marshmallows by the fire's glow. They made shadow shapes and told silly stories. The next morning, Splat saw loads of snow. Splat built the best snow cat ever. The end.